Hello Rajan sir, can you tell me what is this I Love My Ahmedabad and Adopt a Street program?
Well, I would put Adopt a City first. Adopt a City is a program of citizens themselves. The resident of the city will become volunteer to, and they will adopt a street, and they will keep the cleanliness, observe the cleanliness of the street, and inform the corporation and the Rotary in turn about the people who make the dirty things.
Okay, so you mean to say this program is supported by Rotary Club Prahlad Nagar as well as Ahmedabad Municipality?
The program is promoted by Rotary Club of Ahmedabad Prahlad Nagar, and we seek the support of corporation. In fact, we both felt, corporation officials of the corporations and Rotary Club felt that this is the dire need of the society and we must come and educate people. Most of the people in the city love cleanliness, but because of few, the city remains dirty and we are getting the disadvantage of the dirty and worse city.
Okay, so basically this Adopt a Street program is all about cleanliness. So how, one can become the volunteer for this project?
It is very simple. Becoming a volunteer, if you should be the resident of Ahmedabad, you should be willing to do some good work for the society. I assure you don't have to pick up a broom. તમારે ઝાડુ લઈને કામ કરવાનું ક્યાંય નથી, કચરો ઉપાડવાનો નથી. What you will be asked to is observe the street, see that it remains clean, give information about the dirt and the dust coming on the street to the corporation or Rotary people, and they will pick up into things. The only thing, you should be willing to do it. You should have the love for your city. You wish that your city become the cleanest city of the India or other world within a very short time. It's not a short-term work. It is a long-term work. We have planned it for at least 4 to 5 years, and we assure that within 2 years' time we'll educate people and try to see that it remains clean and clean.
Okay, so in order to register as a volunteer, one has to fill up the form on the website. How one can become the volunteer?
It is very simple now. You log on to our website, ilovemyahmedabad.com. Fill up your form and information. You will be registered, and you will be informed in the intern about your application, and you will be called upon for the training and everything. Or alternatively, what you can do is you send your SMS to 92200922200 LVAHM space your name space your email address, and your name will be automatically registered with the Rotary, and our website will contact you very soon.
Okay, so can you please explain what will be the exact role and responsibility of a volunteer?
Volunteer will be the member of our RCC, Rotary Community Corps. Corporation, Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation and Rotary will approve your membership. There is nothing much in demand for you, but you will be enrolled as a member. You will be observing the cleanliness of the city, giving the information about the dirt and dirtiness to the corporation or Rotary. You will be, if you do the work for at least 3 to 6 months time, Rotary and corporation jointly will issue a identity card, and in turn at a later date your nameplate will be put on the street at the suitable place decided by the corporation that you have adopted this street and you are looking after. Later on, what we are going to do is we after the cleanliness purpose is served, we will invite people to make the city green and beautiful.
So in order to become the volunteer, do we have to pay anything or donate anything?
Right, look, Rotary is doing on its own, and we don't ask you to register for any payment. There is no payment required, and Rotary will take care of your work, your duties. They'll take care of your group insurance also, and you are not paying a single pie from your pocket.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. This is really a very good project, and we wish that all people will be becoming a volunteer for this project.
We invite all residents, those who are really keen on, cleanliness and living a good life. Please come forward and join us.